My name is Jason Miller, founder of AAspenNow Solutions. AAspenNow started out as a fledgling YouTube channel in 2017. Since then, we have performed several implementations of cloud platforms such as ServiceNow. Our approach centers around providing solutions at scale, which ensures that you don't have to reinvent the wheel as your organization grows. Several of our customers have yielded an automated and more secure infrastructure while increasing productivity and reducing costs after AAspenNow transformed their environment. To get started, contact AAspenNow by submitting the form on our website. After a review of your business objectives is complete, we'll help you select a solution. Then we'll take care of the heavy lifting as your enterprise undergoes transformation and optimization. AAspenNow, solutions that scale.